This is where we're entering DC. This is entering DC right now.
Oh, so this bridge divides DC and Maryland.
Me and my dad were driving out to DC just to explore around a little bit. Nope. Well, I mean, there's a lot of clouds. It might rain soon, but it's not raining currently.
Whoa.
Well, yeah, you're watching. People will cross the street like they own the street. That's why they call this road South Capitol Street. Because literally, this is direction south.
Yeah.
And beelines, literally right to the center of the Capitol.
Beautiful in the evening with the lights on.
Pretty sure the Washington Monument's just across from it. It's this is south, north, west. Washington is centered. Yeah, there it is. You can see it. Yeah, you can barely see it over the houses or buildings every now and then. Museum of the Bible. Yeah, I've never been there. I think that's a new museum. So, this is my office over here, just building to the right.
What building is this? Yeah.
What's called the Rayburn?
The what?
The Rayburn.
Oh.
Last name of some political guy from back in the day, 50s. When they were building this, they named it after him. Congressmen and politicians used for whatever reason. That's why you'll notice there's two different polices in DC. You have your district police in different districts, and Capitol Police. Capitol Police only secure Capitol Hill area. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Can you take a picture of me?
You want to wait till you get closer? You want
No.
It's not one of them. Barrier. Those things, they look like cute little things, but they're actually very solid into the ground. Some of them actually can retract down. Part underneath the statue, if that light is on, and that means they're actively having a
Underneath what statue?
Or meeting.
What statue?
Huh?
What statue?
You see the big statue
On the Capitol.
But then you see that space underneath with little light.
Yeah.
That light is on. That means they're having their. They call it a session. Congress is in session. And Congress is debating. Look at that, D. My job consists basically of all of this. Minus the Supreme Court. I don't do nothing there.
Okay.
I have to work with here.
Oh, what kind of car is this?
Corvette. It's a late model Corvette.
So that police is for the Capitol only.
You can tell the Capitol Police because
But look at this
it's
car.
gold and black writing on the side.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Corvette. So now we're entering now the Capitol side. Whoa, look there. It's huge. And there's a monument
Yeah.
right there. Wow. One day you walked all there and back. That's far. You remember that day?
You know what it probably will do, which will be a miracle for me.
You see that glass, that building with those bubble glass roof?
Yeah.
Not working, it's on the street yet.
Vaguely.
That's the Botanic Garden.
Whoa. This place is big, man. It looks like a.
In the capital, yeah, we're not, I can't. Other people can. Since they changed the rules, I think after 9/11, I can't just use mine for people.
Whoa. It's beautiful. Need to go back.
Definitely see the drink.
Oh yeah. Everything back. Everything back in the day was influenced by mythology. There's Greek stuff. There's ancient Roman structures in Britain, but it was all taken from like parts to build like rock houses.
Or if you want to picture
Oh
dead
my God.
center,
I think my children would have loved to see this in live. You should hotspot me so that I can call them.
or you want a hotspot? Yeah, let's get a
Let
picture.
me first record this.
I forgot they got the water working. It's like, yeah, it's just flat.
Yeah, because they have it in a constant cycle of getting cold under and pumped
Yeah.
out. Also, they have a chemical.
Honey, oranges, squeeze. What is this for?
I'm not sure.
That is jet black water.
I guess they did that so when it's windy, it actually reflects very easily.
Yeah. That is the darkest water I think I've ever seen.
They probably never clean it.
You want pictures of whatever this is over here?
They might be pigeon hybrids. They might be seagull pigeon hybrids. Look at their weird, like, gray feathers. Seagulls are typically, like, all white.
Yeah.
No one has
Check the difference between this,
We should
the
try and pick
camera
one up.
quality. Huge difference, right?
Dad, should we try and pick up a seagull? Take one.
If you go closer, you're gonna fly away. You see? But if you throw bread, then they will all come closer.
If we throw one piece of bread, they're all going to block like a 4 movie.
Check the view here.
They come out from the water like.
Obviously, those guys look like someone from Confederate War.
Yeah, the Civil War.
You just record. Record.
Cold?
It's already recording.
Okay.
You cannot see the statues in here. It's too dark. Can you see in there?
Yeah.
Whoa. I don't know if it's my lighting or what.
Yeah, it's probably.
Maybe.
Did I give you a piece of mozzarella stick?
Yeah. Falafel. Oh my goodness.
This food is worth the cost.
Oh. It doesn't even need meat. Holy cow.
Worth double what they're selling for.
I think the dog wants the food.
He maybe smelled the food. He wouldn't let go of the food. And more the